Hello investors and traders, today we'll speak about the stock market indexes, the technical analysis of the main indexes. So let's start with the S&P 500, it's the main US index. So here in my mind now it's above 4,000 and I'm expecting to see another move down. By the way, here if we will check the daily chart, there side the momentum indicator is a little bit above 60. That's why I think that the index now is overbought, so I'm expecting another move down. By the way, here we are trading in a decreasing channel. It was 5, it's already the first wave, the second, the third, this one the first, and I'm expecting another move here to the fifth wave. So generally speaking, maybe we could see this index a little bit lower. And here the 200 moving average is we are traded now above this moving average, but it's of course it's a good sign. But anyway, I think we might see the index a little bit lower. The inflation is US now is decreasing, now it's 6.5%. It's another positive for the markets. Of course, it's the high base from the last year, but anyway I think that there is still possibility to see the stocks a little bit lower. The Nasdaq IT companies index now generally we are testing the 200 moving average, so of course very interesting moment here. And here we have a few support levels, 1100s, 11,000s, 10,000, and of course 9,000. Let's check also VGK, it's ETF on the European markets. So we can see that from the beginning of the year it's up more than 7% its performance. It's a positive sign. By the way, it's traded higher than the 200 moving average, also a positive sign. But here the momentum indicator on the weekly time frame is 64, so it's already overbought. So here I'm thinking that it may be a correction on this index. The TLT, it's one of the biggest position in my portfolio, ETF on the US Treasury. Its performance is 4.4% from the beginning of the year. Now we have a support level, maybe it will be 104, 103, but the final target is in this level 120. So TLT, I think it's a very safe, it can be a very safe investment, so I continue to have a nice position in this asset. The DXY, the index dollar, is traded without any change. Now it's around 124. I think it would be lower. We have here a nice range. The range is 90 and 100, and I think finally we may broke it from up to down, and in few weeks, in few months, we may trade it between this range. And today Tesla, let's check Tesla. It's down more than this stock is down more than 4% today. So here of course it was a bounce from its it was wave C finished. By the way, if we'll check it, wave it was ABC move, a correctional one. It was wave A in the first wave, the second, the first and the fifth. By the way, this pattern is called the expanding leading diagonal. Then we had a bounce, it was the wave C, and now it was the wave B, and now wave C is finished. So from this level it can be a new impulse. So Tesla had a quarterly report not so long ago. Let's check few parameters from this report. So market cap is more than 500 billion. Let's check the marginality. It was 11%, 13, and now it's 15%. So quite impressive there. Net income margin of 15%, the marginality improving, and by the way the revenue also showing a nice growth all last quarters, 13, 17, 18, and more than 21 billion the company earned on the last quarter. The earnings, the expectations for earnings on the quarterly basis, it expected to show a growth, and the revenue also. If we earned about 20 billion last time, so it will be about 30 billion in 5 quarters from now. So the expectations for Tesla are very, very strong and quite stable. But of course, after such rally from the finishing of wave C, it up more than 50% by the way. Of course, let's check the daily time frame. Yeah, it's overbought, so maybe it will be a correction. The correction, by the way, happening now. Of course, we'll see. And very strong performance of Tesla since the beginning of the year. It's up more than 40%. We'll check, but I'm not sure. That's now it's safe to buy it. I'm expecting, honestly speaking, I'm expecting a pullback. Now it can be a nice pullback. Maybe it was this case. Look, for example, it was the first wave, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. So now it may be a correction in the second wave. Yeah. So now I think it's going to be a pullback in the Tesla stock. So I have in my video a lot of information about stock dividends, technical and fundamental analysis of the stock market, of equity market. If you like this video, so press the like button. I have now a lot of videos about stock market analysis. Now we are in a period of quarterly reports, so if you would like to receive all the last updates in my channel, so don't forget to subscribe, and of course see you on the next time. Bye.